Hello and welcome to SAP Learning Academy and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be telling you or giving you some idea on XSL InfoObject in SAP BW4HANA. This is a type of InfoObject having extra length XSL, and it is only available in SAP BW4HANA onwards because in the previous version of SAP BW this category was not available. So what is the use or what is the need for this? Sometimes we need to store more data or more text for an info object. Then we should assign the info object as XSL info object. I'll be showing you just below in the screen when and where to create it. Like, just let me show you first in the below screen that when you are going to create the info object, then you have to assign the type. What type of info object is it? It's a characteristics, or it's a key figure or unit, or there's a fourth type that is XSL info object. So you can use the XSL info object to save additional information for a characteristics as type, string or X string. And also you can further specify the data type so that you can, based on the data type, you can store either text, image or video files. So let me show you the data type. Like, you have selected the XSL info object here, and then you have to select the data type. So here you will get two options. Those are character string, that is CLOB, and the next one is the BLOB, byte string. It means the difference between these two is it is called character large object and the other one is called binary large object. If you select as CLOB, then it can store character string data like the text data. Suppose you have a requirement where you want to store a lot of text data, then you can use this one, and it can store up to 4 GB. And on the other side, if you choose BLOB, binary large object, this will mainly used for if you are storing audio files, audio, video or image file. So mainly for those processing you can use this data type as BLOB. So it is very useful if you are going to, or you are having a requirement like this, because this type was not available in previous version of BW. Now in the SAP BW4HANA and in onwards service pack, so it will be available. So thank you for watching this tutorial, and if you have any comment on this, please comment below and like the tutorial if you liked it. Thank you for watching.